You search for how to buy shares of Southern Cross Electrical Engineering Ltd. Southern Cross Electrical Engineering Ltd. is an Australian electrical engineering and power infrastructure company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker SXE.ASX. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy SXE.ASX, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the broker's search box and enter the ticker SXE.ASX to locate the correct listing on CBOE AUS. Confirm the match by checking the company name and market listing. Open the asset page to view basic company information and a price chart for Southern Cross Electrical Engineering Ltd. Confirm this is the correct stock before proceeding. Choose to invest by entering the amount you want to buy. Review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your SXE.ASX position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link to eToro, see the description below.